In this last video in the Week 4 series, we examined projections in more detail and how your GIS software can help you. Projecting is an operation that mathematically distorts and shrinks a portion of the Earth onto flat paper. With all these choices, how can we choose a good projection? Know what you need to be true: distance, area, direction, and shape. Which one you need depends on what you are doing with your map. How do we know if we're choosing a good projection? One way is using Tissot's indicatrix, which uses circles to reflect the amount of shape and/or area distortion. As you move away from the non-distorted area, the area and shape distortion increase. For example, using the Mercator projection, we can see that areas close to the equator have minimal or no shape or area distortion, and as we move further away from the equator, the distortion increases. When you're projecting data in GIS, you will most likely face projection issues. Remember, learning GIS takes patience and practice. Esri ArcGIS resources offer good reference materials on projections and projecting GIS data, and there are tools that you can use to help you understand and choose the correct projections. You can define a coordinate system for data with the Define Projection tool in the Data Management toolbox. This tool overwrites the coordinate system information stored within a dataset. The only use for this tool is for datasets that have an unknown or incorrect coordinate system defined. If the data has a coordinate system definition, but it does not match the typical coordinate system used by an organization, you can reproject the data. You can reproject data in a geodatabase, feature dataset, feature class, shapefile, or raster dataset using the Project tool in the Data Management toolbox. You can also change the coordinate system of a set of input feature classes or feature datasets to a common coordinate system using the Batch Projection tool. Don't worry about choosing the wrong projection. Projecting can be undone. Often, trying different projections out will help you understand the concept better. This concludes the presentations about projections. I highly recommend viewing the supplemental resources this week. Please be sure to start the lab early and post any questions you have to the discussion boards. Keep calm and map on.